like your vodka with a little touch of lime. You should probably take your heels off, 'cause you've been running through my mind. Oh baby, they say we're no good for each other. I can't really tell, what is this spell you put me under? And I'm still trying to find you. I'm looking for you, babe. And I'm still trying to find you through sunshine or rain.
I love you.
What makes their relationship so special is that they allow each other to just fully be themselves. They don't dim each other's light. They somehow make space for one another to shine even brighter.
Oh my God, you look amazing. All right, that's what I'm talking about. That's my bride.
Don't wanna get ahead of myself.
Aria faced many challenges in high school. Mainly, she didn't like doing homework and she didn't like studying. Halfway through grade 11, she started focusing on the end goal. She told me she was motivated to prove me wrong. And then she was motivated to make me proud. And boy, did she succeed.
How can we be surprised that she will lay her eyes on Moe and see more than just the physical? Come on now. She will see a heart so generous and fall in love.
I'm scared to death that she might be it, that the love is real, that the shoe might fit. She might just be my everything and beyond.
Aria has been the most loyal, thoughtful, supportive friend anyone could ask for.
She might just be my everything and beyond. Yeah, she might just be
Oh, potatoes. We love the potatoes. Potatoes are good. Today, it's a win-win for both families.
I asked Aria many years into her relationship what she liked about Moe. Without hesitation, she said, "He makes me a better person." Well, that's all a father can hope for.
How I do. Let go of a prayer for you. Just a sweet word.
Modak is an amazing son,
The table
a
is
loving brother to his two sisters who have always spoiled him. Modak and Aria, our blessings for you is always stay happy together. We love you both so much.
Wishing you Godspeed, glory. There will be mountains you won't move. Still, I'll always be there for you. How I do.
If our relationship was a recipe, Aria would be the structure, the perfectly measured ingredients, the baking temperatures, the steps you prep in advance. I, on the other hand, am more like a splash of this, a handful of that. Let's see what happens if we freestyle.
This place to call home. Always.
Oh my God, no.
Just kidding. I promised I wasn't gonna rap.
Modak loves you, it means that you are seen. It is his love that keeps you safe.
This whiskey got me feeling pretty, so pardon if I'm impolite. I just really need your ass with me. I'm sorry about the other night, and I know I could be more creative and come up with poetic lines, but I'm turns up upstairs and I love you.
And welcome, for the very first time as a married couple, Modak and Aria.
Higher than I've ever been, babe. Just come over, let's pour a drink, babe. I hope I ain't calling you too late, too late. You light my fire. Let's stay up late and smoke a J. I wanna go back to the old way, but I'm drunk and still with a full ashtray, with a little bit too much to say.
Thank you for bringing me to my center and helping me find a peace that I didn't think was possible. And when I think about our future, the good times and the inevitable bad, I have so much comfort in knowing without a doubt that we have what it takes to not only make it, but find so many moments of laughter and silliness along the way.
No bitch in my body. New beginnings. New beginnings. Wake up high, the sun's going down. Time to start your day, bro. Can't keep being late.